These types of stick animation shorts are getting millions of views on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, making thousands of dollars for their creators. With low competition in this niche, you have a golden opportunity to quickly grow your audience and maximize your earnings. In this guide, I'll show you how to write compelling scripts, generate high-quality voiceovers, and create eye-catching animations using free AI tools, helping you dominate the stick animation niche and start earning serious money. Before diving into this niche, you might think that simply using ChatGPT or Google Gemini for script writing is the way to go. But if you want to truly stand out in content creation, you'll need to think outside the box. Let me show you 2 examples of videos that do just that.
I can see your computer. No. Click on my computer on your computer. How can I click on your computer for the mic? I can see your computer. No. Click on my computer on your computer. How can I click on your computer for my computer?
Now that you've seen both examples, one a viral original meme video and the other converted into a stick animation, it's time to dive deeper. Open any social media platform like TikTok and start exploring viral meme videos. For instance, check out popular accounts like the Riz app's funny chat account or other trending meme creators. Watch their videos closely.
Don't text Jessica again. You hear me?
Lil bro, who are you?
Worst nightmare.
Do you speak English?
No, I don't speak English.
Where are you going?
Going home.
Where do you live?
And take note of the scripts they use. You can even use tools like Descript to convert their audio into text, giving you a clear blueprint to create your own engaging content. If you still want to use ChatGPT, you can ask it to write a funny conversation between 2 people with humor, delivering a social message. ChatGPT will provide you with a script, but I wouldn't recommend relying on it alone. Instead, download the viral meme video as an MP3 file that contains a conversation between 2 people. Next, search for Descript on Google and create a free account on the website. Once your account is set up, go to Projects, click on the New Project button and choose Audio Project. Drag and drop the meme audio file into the project. If your meme video is an MP4 format, you can use any online tool to convert it to MP3. Descript will extract all the dialogue from your audio file. Now copy this transcript, go back to ChatGPT, and ask it to convert the text into a 2-person conversation. Now that you have 2 methods to create viral scripts for stick animation videos, it's time to move on to the next step. After writing your script, whether you did it yourself, used a meme video, or asked ChatGPT, it's time to convert it into audio. For this video, I'm going to use 2 websites, 11 Labs and DupDub. Feel free to use any AI text-to-speech website that you prefer. On 11 Labs, go to the Voices section and search for a voice that sounds like a child or something funny. Select that voice, then go back to ChatGPT and copy the dialogue for the first or second person. I recommend generating the voices one by one, which makes the process easier. For example, I'll copy the second person's dialogue and paste it into 11 Labs. If you're new to video editing, it's better to create one dialogue at a time.
No, I don't speak English. Going home. With my parents. With me. Together. Next to my neighbor's house.
Once my second person's AI voice is generated successfully, I'll move on to the first person's voice. For this, I'm using DupDub, which offers a variety of AI voices for free. I select a silly-sounding voice and start copy-pasting the first person's dialogue into DupDub. Of course, you can use your own voice, which might be better than AI-generated voices, or hire a voiceover actor. My goal is to teach you each step in detail so that you become an expert by the end of this video. Now that both AI voices are ready, let's move on to the next step. To create free animation videos, open Google and search for Adobe Express. Visit the website, and the first thing you'll need to do is create a free account. Click on the Sign In button, then sign up with your Gmail account. Once your account is created, you'll be redirected to the Adobe Express main dashboard. Next, click on the plus button, then select Quick Action. From the list, find and click on Animate Characters. This will open a new window where you can start setting up your character. You'll find various characters, including humans, animals, and more. But for our project, we'll be using a stick figure, so find it in the character list and select it. Adjust the character to ensure it appears correctly in your video. The next step is to choose a background. Adobe offers many cartoon-related backgrounds, and you can also choose a green screen if you want to add your own custom background later. For this tutorial, I'm selecting a random background just to demonstrate how it works. You also need to choose the size of your animation video. Since we're creating a YouTube Shorts video, select the 9:16 aspect ratio. You can customize all these settings before starting the rendering process. Once all the settings are in place, click on the Browse button to upload your first character's voice. After selecting the voice, Adobe Express will automatically start rendering your cartoon animation video. Once the video is ready, you can play it to check if the character fits correctly.
Do you speak English? Okay. Where are you going? Where do you live? Where do your parents live? So, where do you all live?
Download the video once it's done. Now, click the back button to create the second part of your animation. We'll keep the same background and other settings, but we'll change the character to match the second voiceover. Choose a character that suits the voice, then click on Replace Audio. Click Browse again to select the second person's audio file. If you're confused about any step, feel free to ask questions in the comments section. Now that our second video is done, download it as well. It's time to move on to the video editing process. For editing stick animation videos, I'm using CapCut, but you can use any video editing app you prefer. First, open the app and import your animation clips onto the timeline. Play the first clip and split it when the first dialogue is finished.
Do you speak English?
Then, move the cursor to the second clip, play it, and split it when the first dialogue ends.
No.
Drag the second clip and adjust it right after the first person's dialogue ends. Next, play the first clip again and split it at the second dialogue.
Do you speak English?
No.
Okay. Where are you going?
Then, move to the second person's clip, play it, and split it at the second dialogue.
I don't speak English.
Drag and place it after the second dialogue of the first person.
Do you speak English?
No, I don't speak English.
Okay. Where are you going?
Going home.
Essentially, you need to match the video clips with the dialogues according to your script. I'll fast forward this process to save time. Now that my clip adjustments are done, here's a little demo.
Do you speak English?
No, I don't speak English.
Okay. Where are you going?
Going home.
Where do you live?
With my parents.
Where do your parents live?
With me.
So, where do you all live?
Together.
No, I mean, where is your home?
Next to my neighbor's house.
Next, go to the audio section and find some funny background music. Take your time to find the best music that matches your animation. Add the music and adjust its volume. Then, add some funny sound effects to enhance your video. I'm sure you're a better video editor than me, so take your time and find the right sound effects to add. The next step is to add captions. Choose any template and generate the captions. Overall, editing a stick animation video is quite simple. Just add background music, sound effects, and captions. Finally, export your video, and here's the final demo with simple video editing.
Do you speak English?
No, I don't speak English.
Okay. Where are you going?
Going home.
Where do you live?
With my parents.
Where do your parents live?
With me.
So, where do you all live?
Together.
No, I mean, where is your home?
Next to my neighbor's house.
And where do your neighbors live?
If I tell you that, you won't believe it.
Tell me!
Next to my house.